What is up, beautiful people of YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So, if you follow me on Instagram, like you should be, link in the description box below. While you're down there, click that subscribe button. Then you know that my chopper left me stranded again this week. I am still chasing this charging system issue. So today I'm going to bite the bullet. And I'm going to put a stator in this thing. It's the only part I haven't replaced. It has never once tested bad, but it's the only part that hasn't been replaced. I've literally rewired this entire bike. I've rebuilt the ground. There's only one ground on the whole bike. I rebuilt positive cables. I've put voltage regulators on. So the stator is the only thing I haven't done. So I'm just going to bite the bullet and knock it out today. Part of the reason why I'm doing this today is I just happen to have the parts in stock. So all my inventory parts, I had a stator as well as a rotor. I'm going to put a brand new rotor on while I'm in there, and I've got a primary gasket and I've got oil and all that. So I mean, I can't say this isn't going to cost me anything because I had to buy all that stuff for inventory, but I have the parts here. I didn't have to order anything, so I'm just going to go ahead and do it. I already somewhat started. Didn't really do much. I just took the sprocket cover off over here so I could fish my wire out for my stator. And I went ahead and drained the primary already. So I'm going to put you guys on the tripod, start tearing all this apart, and see if we can get this bike fixed. So as you guys saw, I got it all tore down. Let me flip the camera around and show you this. So I cleaned all this out. You can kind of see right here in the cover, there's like a film on everything, and that film kind of covers the stator and the rotor as well. So I don't know if that was a sign. That things were bad, but I have a brand new stator as well as a brand new rotor. And this rotor, as you see, it's one magnet all the way around. The factory rotor, so the factory one is 6 magnets all in a circle, and it looks like there's quite a bit of wear on these magnets. So just replacing everything while we're in there, trying to avoid any potential problems. So I'm going to throw you guys back on the tripod, and I'm going to get going on throwing this back together. So I got the bike off the lift, verified everything's charging. I'm gonna get it warming up right now. And I'm gonna throw on my helmet and gloves. We're gonna take this thing out on a ride. Go ride for a bit, see if it'll leave me stranded or not. Hopefully it's fixed. So I just got back from the test ride. Bike performed fine, charging system. test fine when I got back, but the old charging system used to do the same thing, so I honestly don't know. I won't know until I burn a few tanks of gas through this. What I do know is that this weekend, me and my family are heading down to Florida. We will be on the road for 10 days, taking my beautiful Indian. My wife's taking her Kawasaki, and we're going to ride down, so I'm really looking forward to that. It'll be fun, and of course I'm going to shoot a video on that. But as for the chopper, who knows? It's my favorite bike in the fleet. This is hands down my favorite bike. I don't trust it, and I'm not going to trust it until I can put some good miles on it without it screwing me over. So I guess that's going to wrap this video up, guys. Please give me a big thumbs up, comment below, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and in the description box below there's links to all of my social media as well as our company website, Headstalls.com, where we make everything for horses right here in the US in this very building. I will see you all in the next one. I love you all.